Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see one activity given in your textbook on page number 21. It is the activity which will explain positive, negative and zero work. We have already learned the concept of positive work, negative work and zero work. So, through this activity you can clarify your ideas. In this activity, you have to take a plastic cup and make a hole in the center of its bottom. Again, take a long thread and pass it through the hole by doubling it. And you have to tie a thick enough knot at the end of that and so that the knot will not pass through the hole. Also tie a nut to each end of that thread. दोन्ही एंडला काय करायचं आहे, एक एक नट तुम्हाला टाय करायचा आहे. And then our equipments are ready for the activity. In this activity we have to study three cases which are given in this figure A, figure B and figure C, and we have to take out the conclusion from these three cases. Also we have to answer the questions given on page number 21 which are based on this activity. So let us move toward the figure A. This is figure A, in which the cup is put on the table and one of the nuts is kept in the cup and other nut is hanging down from the table. In this case, what will happen? The cup will get pulled in the downward direction. The cup will displace. तो cup काय होईल, त्याची जागा चेंज करेल. It will displace. तो ओढला जाईल खालच्या दिशेने. Why? Because of that hanging nut. त्या हँगिंग नटमुळे काय होईल, तो कप खाली ओढला जाईल. ओके, बट वाय? बिकॉज द फोर्स अप्लाइड बाय ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स ऑन दॅट नट इट विल ग्रेटर दॅन द फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स विच इज in between cup and the table. Therefore cup will displace. And what will be type of work here? In this case, what is the direction of displacement? It is downward. And what is the direction of force? It is also downward. That means direction of force and displacement are same. So this is the case in which positive work is done. जेव्हा फोर्स आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट यांची डायरेक्शन सेम असते तेव्हा वर्क कसं असतं? इट इज पॉझिटिव्ह वर्क. Now look at figure B. In this case, what we have to do? When cup is sliding along the table, we have to stop it by putting a ruler in its path. जेव्हा तो कप खाली घसरत असेल, because of that nut which is hanging, त्या नटमुळे जेव्हा तो कप समोर समोर सर्कल खाली घसरला जाईल त्यावेळेस काय करायचं आहे, त्या धाग्यावर एक रुलर, एक स्केल ठेवायची आहे. What will happen in this case? In this case, the displacement of cup will be stopped. कप काय होईल, एका जागी थांबेल. बट why this happens? असं का घडेल? Because the force applied by that ruler will oppose the displacement of cup. That means it is opposing the force which is applied by the hanging nut. In such case, what will be the work done? कुठल्या टाईपचं वर्क होईल? Here the direction of the force applied by the ruler and the direction of the force which is applied by that nut. Direction of the displacement of the cup and the direction of the force applied by that ruler are opposite. That means direction of displacement and force are opposite. So such type of work is called as negative work. डायरेक्शन जर फोर्स आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंटच्या जर अपोजिट असतील, दॅट मीन्स द अँगल बिटवीन फोर्स अँड डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज 180 डिग्री. अँड इन सच केस द वर्क डन इज निगेटिव्ह वर्क डन. देअरफॉर यामध्ये काय होईल, निगेटिव्ह वर्क होईल. नाव इन फिगर सी देर आर टू नट्स हँगिंग ऑन इन बोथ साइड्स ऑफ दॅट टेबल. दोन्ही बाजूला नट लटकतात आहे. अँड इन सच केस द कप विल नॉट डिस्प्लेस. तो कप हलेल का तेव्हा? नाही. व्हाय देअर इज नो डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन कप? व्हॉट विल बी रिझन? बिकॉज द फोर्स अप्लाइड बाय बोथ साइड्स नट्स, दोन्ही बाजूला असणारे जे नट्स आहेत त्यांनी जो फोर्स अप्लाय केला असेल दे विल बॅलन्स इच अदर. अँड ॲज द फोर्स इज बॅलन्स्ड देअर इज नो डिस्प्लेसमेंट. वेन डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑकर्स? वेन देअर इज इम्बॅलन्स फोर्स ॲक्टिंग ऑन वन ऑब्जेक्ट. But now, because of these two nuts which are hanging on both sides of table, the force is balance, that means the cup is facing the balanced force and therefore there is no displacement. And as there is no displacement, there is no work. जिथे डिस्प्लेसमेंटच नसेल तिथे वर्क होईल का? नाही. Therefore, what we learn in figure A, there is positive work. In figure B, there is negative work. And in figure C, there is no work done because of no displacement. I hope every one of you will understand what is this activity. Okay, so try this activity at your home.